Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best gifts is probably one of the most exciting times for a 12-year-old boy. At this age, boys are developing their interests, hobbies, and personalities, which means their preferences can be quite diverse. Whether he's into gaming, sports, science, or art, there's a perfect gift out there to spark his imagination and bring a smile to his face. So, let's dive into some fantastic gift ideas that are sure to be a hit. Number 5. ThinkFun Gravity Maze, STEM Puzzle Game. This game sparks imagination and sharpens critical thinking. It encourages kids to tackle engineering challenges in a fun, immersive STEM experience. It's a great way to foster intellectual development. This innovative game merges fun and education seamlessly. It's perfect for developing skills both in the classroom and at home. Watch as children become engrossed in strategic planning. Open a world of construction possibilities with this game. Kids can solve marble puzzles that challenge their imagination. It includes towers, marbles, a game grid, and a target piece for endless design possibilities. Kids 8 and older will love solving challenges together. They can construct complex runs and build marble runs with friends and family. This helps build communication and reasoning skills. It's a great gift for kids who love logic games and creative problem solving. Boys and girls ages 8 to 14 and older will learn from this challenging, Montessori-friendly game. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like. This gravity maze is a fantastic way to ignite a young mind's passion for problem solving. It encourages strategic thinking and provides an engaging STEM experience. If you're looking for a gift that combines fun with learning, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who love a challenge and enjoy building things. What people say. It's like Marble Run meets Brain Teaser. Each level gets trickier and more addictive. Great for kids and adults who like a challenge. The game is beautifully designed with high-quality pieces that are sturdy and vibrant, making it a joy to play with. It's a fantastic STEM toy that challenges kids to think critically and problem-solve as they work through increasingly complex challenges. Number 4. ArmoGear Laser Tag Set of 4. Transform your home or backyard into an exciting laser tag arena with this advanced set. It features real target vests, invisibility mode, a night vision flashlight, and voice-guided directions. It also has an extreme 150-foot shooting range. With this set, up to 4 teams can engage in thrilling battles. Switch between different weapon modes like pistol, shotgun, machine gun, and rocket to defeat your opponents. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for all ages. Enjoy immersive gameplay with tactile vibrations and realistic shooting sounds. It's a great way to get kids and adults away from screens. Create lasting memories during holidays, snow days, or birthday parties with a fun family laser tag tournament. This is the perfect gift idea, guaranteed to bring joy to kids of all ages. For nearly a decade, ArmoGear has been creating quality toys that encourage imaginative play, outdoor fun, and creativity. Bring out the best in your little ones with this amazing laser tag set. It's designed to inspire imaginative play and provide hours of outdoor fun for the whole family. Get ready for an unforgettable experience. What we like. ArmoGear Laser Tag brings the excitement of laser tag right to your backyard. With realistic vests, multiple ammo types, and a long shooting range, it's designed for immersive gameplay. If you want to get the whole family involved in a fun, active game, this set is ideal. It's a great way to create lasting memories. What people say. They're fun. I like the fact that the guns are color-coded. You can set up teams based on the color codes, and they actually transmit and receive from a long distance. It's got team-up options, one-on-one, you can select different weapon types, and it's got sounds and lights that keep the score going. Number 3. Squad Hero Laser Tag Set of 4. Get ready for an epic laser tag battle. This set includes everything you need to transform your space into a high-tech arena. Strap on the vest, grab your gun, and prepare for action. Forget about constantly changing batteries. This gear is fully rechargeable, and the included charging station makes it easy. You can enjoy about 8 games per charge, ensuring hours of non-stop fun. With 3 target zones, your opponents have nowhere to hide. The HeroSync technology keeps track of your lives and team data automatically. The LCDs on the vests and guns let you check your status. Choose from 4 weapon modes and adjust the game settings to your liking. It features a stealth mode, team or solo play, and a night flashlight. The range is up to 150 feet, and it's child-safe. Each set is made with strict quality control. If you have any issues, the Squad Hero customer service team is ready to help. Get ready for an awesome laser tag experience. What we like. Squad Hero Laser Tag offers a high-tech laser tag experience with rechargeable gear and 360-degree combat. With multiple weapon modes and advanced features, it provides an intense and customizable experience. If you're looking for a gift that offers a cutting-edge laser tag experience, this is a great choice. It's perfect for older kids and teens. What people say. The guns have 4 different gun options, each one taking more lives than the one before. You can bounce lasers off walls, screens, cars, etc., and there is even a stealth mode where all your lights and sounds turn off for a limited time. Very accurate with relatively small hit zones, so you have to actually aim. Number 2. STEM Robot Building Block Kit. This amazing building block kit is perfect for kids aged 8 and up. It encourages hand-eye coordination and practical skills, moving them away from screens and into a world of fun. This robot moves in all directions and features glowing eyes and flexible joints. It enhances imagination and improves motor skills, making it an ideal gift for any occasion. You can control this smart robot with a phone app via Bluetooth or with the included 2.4 GHz remote control. It offers multiple control modes for flexible and easy operation, with a remote control distance of over 20 meters. The kit includes individually packaged accessories and a step-by-step assembly manual. The clear instructions with visual aids make the building process simple and enjoyable for children. We prioritize safety, so this toy is made of durable ABS materials. It's non-toxic with smooth edges, ensuring a safe and friendly experience for your kids. What we like. This robot toy is a fantastic STEM project that combines building with technology. It can be controlled via an app or remote, offering multiple modes for interactive play. If you're looking for a gift that encourages creativity and technical skills, it's a great choice. It's perfect for kids who love to build and explore. What people say. Loves Lego and quickly completes building sets in very short order. But this he finds challenging and requires thought, concentration and patience. Excellent challenge with more than 500 parts. We got this for my nephew for Christmas and he just brought it over and worked on it all day. Pretty fast and makes lots of robot noises. Focused on building and following directions. Great gift for a young child. Number 1. 12-in-1 Solar Robot, Blue. This amazing kit comes with 190 pieces, allowing you to construct 12 unique robot models. It's a fantastic way to spark your child's creativity and problem-solving skills. The included solar panel lets the robots move using solar power. No batteries are needed, making it a fun and educational way to learn about renewable energy. With step-by-step instructions and all the necessary parts, kids can experience the satisfaction of building their own robots. This process fosters creativity and intellectual development. This STEM toy encourages parent-child collaboration, building strong bonds while exploring science and technology. It's a great way to cultivate a spirit of scientific exploration. This robot kit is made with sturdy, non-toxic materials, making it a safe and engaging gift. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, perfect for young builders. What we like. This 12-in-1 solar robot is a fantastic way to introduce kids to renewable energy and robotics. It allows them to build 12 different robots, each powered by the sun. If you are looking for a gift that promotes hands-on learning and environmental awareness, this is a great choice. It's perfect for young builders and budding engineers. What people say. Son really loved using it to build one of those 3D puzzle. The little boy who this was gifted to was very impressed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.